Hi guys, let's talk about hyaluronic acid today. Now before I talk about the actual product, which is the L'Oreal Revitalift 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum, I'd like to cover a few facts about hyaluronic acid. Now, hyaluronic acid belongs to a group of organic compounds known as glycosamine glycans, which have an innate property of holding a large amount of water molecules around them, and that is why they're found in abundantly in a lot of our body cavities. For example, the eye cavity, our joints, or wherever we need shock absorption or lubrication. In our skin, hyaluronic acid actually is responsible for holding the structure of the skin. It's responsible for the plump and dewy look that's given to our skin. Hyaluronic acid molecules actually have a wide range of molecular weights. In very simple terms, what we need to know is smaller molecules of hyaluronic acid are able to pass through the surface layers of the skin, whereas the larger molecules are not able to penetrate the surface layers of the skin. And remember, both these molecules, the larger molecular weight hyaluronic acid molecules as well as the lower molecular weight hyaluronic acid molecules, both of them have a particular function for our skin, and both of them, when used right, have a really good effects on our skin. Let me know if you'd want me to make a separate video on hyaluronic acid where I can actually cover everything about hyaluronic acid, like what it does for the skin, how we are supposed to use it right, which products can we use along with hyaluronic acid, and how can we get maximum benefits out of any hyaluronic acid based serum. Now, first and foremost, if you've seen the ads of this serum, L'Oreal says that it is the #1 skin serum sold in the United States, and this ranking was given by a company called as Nielsen Retail Management based on the unit sales in the year 2000, which means that the ranking, the #1 serum in the United States, this ranking was based on the number of the bottles that were sold in the market. This ranking was not based on how much effective this serum is and or how much benefits it has to the users or any of users' feedbacks. This ranking was solely based on the number of bottles that were sold in the market. This serum comes in a sleek glass bottle which looks nice and posh, but then it's a glass bottle, so not travel friendly. Glass bottles are of course very environment friendly, but then you make sure that you're using it carefully, because if you drop it, it's going to shatter in pieces. Coming to the ingredients, like always, I'll divide the ingredients in three main categories: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Primary ingredients would consist of active ingredients, and in this product, the active ingredient is hyaluronic acid. Now remember, this product has hyaluronic acid in two different forms: high molecular weight hyaluronic acid, which is in a composition of 0.5%. High molecular weight hyaluronic acid sits on the surface of the skin and helps lock in moisture, giving it that dewy look. Low molecular weight hyaluronic acid is in a composition of 1% in this product, and low molecular weight hyaluronic acid actually penetrates the surface layers of the skin and helps smoothen out the texture and giving that a glowy look from within. The secondary ingredients in this product are buffering agents which help balance out the pH of the product, and then there are mild humectants, synthetic humectants, conditioning agents. There are a bunch of such ingredients in here. Speaking of the tertiary ingredients, I think the tertiary ingredients in this product are one, EDTA. The second one, I think, is phenoxyethanol, which is an ethyl alcohol, and the third one is chlorphenesin, which is which when used in very low concentration acts as a preservative. I'm really happy that this product actually contains no fragrances and absolutely no harmful alcohols at all. Coming to the application, always remember to use hyaluronic acid on damp skin so that it can hold those water molecules around it properly. If you don't dampen your skin before applying hyaluronic acid serum, it can actually draw water from your skin and make it more dry. So basically opposite of what you were expecting. So always dampen your skin before applying any hyaluronic acid serum. I like to, wash my face and then, spray a mist or an essence or just normal plain water so that my skin is damp. And then I take a few drops of this serum and then I, apply it on my face in gentle circular motions, and then I pat it. And then after that, I mist my skin again, I mist my face again, so that I can give the hyaluronic acid molecules ample water to hold around it. And then I lock it all in with light moisturizer or any facial oil. If you do live in very dry areas, make sure to spray a water-based mist on top of the hyaluronic acid serum so that it can get maximum amount of water and hold it onto your skin. Coming to the effects, I always use the serum at night. I do not use the serum during the day when I'm going to work, because one, it leaves a slightly tacky feeling when you apply it, and number two, I do not like layering a lot of products on my skin during the day. But if you want, you can totally use this during the day. Remember, hyaluronic acid is photostable. Sun rays have no effects on hyaluronic acid, so you can totally use this during the day even when you're going out. So whenever I use this at night, I wake up with the most healthy and plump looking skin. Like my skin actually looks naturally glowy, and it heals all the dry areas on my skin. I finished off my 30 ml bottle in 1 month, and next time I think I'm going to try something with maybe 2% hyaluronic acid just to see if it gives any better results. Now if you are new to hyaluronic acid, then try using smaller concentrations of hyaluronic acid at first. This particular product, though it has 1.5% of hyaluronic acid, is composed of really mild ingredients, so you can completely give this a try even when even if you're using hyaluronic acid for the first time. Now let's talk about pricing. This product comes in two different sizes, 15 ml and 30 ml. 15 ml costs I think around 499 rupees, which means you're paying around 33 rupees per ml, and the 30 ml that costs this one costs rupees 999, which again means you're paying around rupees 33 per ml. So whichever size you buy, you end up paying the same amount of money per ml, so choose accordingly. And I would suggest check out 4-5 online retailers and look out for the best deal you can get on this product, because this is usually at 10 to 15% off at different famous online retailers. One small advice that I'd like to give everyone is hyaluronic acid can be used by all skin types. Even comedogenic skin types can use hyaluronic acid and benefit from it. But make sure to do a patch test first. Why I'm asking you to do a patch test is because besides hyaluronic acid, these serums do contain other ingredients as well. Right, so make sure to do a patch test and make sure that you're not allergic to any of the ingredients before using it regularly. In conclusion, I have to say that I'm really happy that L'Oreal is coming up with ingredient centric products. In future, I'd like to see more of such launches from L'Oreal, such ingredient centric products. And it will be awesome if L'Oreal launches more products which are free from alcohols and parabens and fragrances. I will be super stoked if L'Oreal comes up with more such launches. So I think that's all I have to say about this product. If you have any more questions or you need any more information, please leave a comment and I'll answer you as soon as possible. Yeah, so take care. Bye.